This is terrible. Hello? Can you hear me? Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video we are talking all about the September BOXY LUXE. If you want to see what I got in my box, then just hang out. Okay, so I'm barefaced. The zit is a repeat visitor. Go fuck yourself, zit. Go fuck yourself. The first thing I want to talk about is this amazingness. This is the Glow Recipe Pineapple C Bright Serum. It retails for $49. It's a little steep, but I've been using this for the past couple days since the box arrived, and you guys, I need you to understand what this smells like. It smells like and looks like straight up pineapple juice. So I'm going to put some on because my skin is looking a little thirsty right now. So it says that this is the ultimate brightening serum for brightening and smoothing pure pineapple juice, one of the most potent sources of natural vitamin C, natural AHA, and bromelain enzymes. Well, I've only been using it for a couple days now, morning and night, and then I follow up with my regular moisturizer. The formula is not sticky at all, so don't worry about that. And the fragrance is just lovely. Like, if you like pineapple, even though we're going into the fall season and maybe you want to smell pumpkins, if you're in denial about summer being over, so I'm really intrigued with this actually as a lady of a certain age, because I feel like it is about time to introduce a vitamin C into my skincare routine, and this seems to be chock full of it. So I'm going to revisit this and maybe revisit my regular skincare routine because it has kind of changed since the last time that I did a video about it. I'm gonna revisit this one and we'll talk about it again, but so far so good. Okay, so the next thing that I want to talk about is this amazingness. This is the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. It retails for $52, and it's a hydrating recovery sleeping mask that balances skin's naturally occurring flora and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothe the signs of irritation. I've only used this once. I used it last night. The good news is when you apply it to your skin, it feels like very wet. It's not sticky or gummy or any of that stuff that you might be afraid to sleep on your pillow with. It just feels, you know, wet. So you just rub it in, apply it to your face. I definitely concentrated it around my nose. I was having some dryness as per the usual, and around this blemish that I've been fighting with, you know, blemish treatment things that tend to dry out your skin. And aside from the disgusting scab, there's no dry flaky skin around it, which is pretty amazing. There's no fragrance. It also works very well with the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic product that came in last month's BoxyCharm. Just a very soothing kind of a face wash. I use that one in the morning so that I don't strip all my face oils, although I do wake up with a super oily, greasy face in the morning. Would I pay $52 for this? 1.7 ounces? No, I would not, because I'm a cheap. I mean, I'm gonna use all of it, but am I gonna repurchase it? Probably not. Next product is a hair item I was lucky enough to get. So this is the IGK Mistress Hydrating Balm. It retails for $29, and it's a leave-in conditioning balm that does not weigh your hair down. I used this morning, actually. I wash my hair like maybe 2 to 3 times a week. I used this morning, probably like a nickel-sized, a healthy little blob, like the size of a grape. Concentrated it mostly on the ends that are a little bit more dry. Just kind of ran it through damp hair, and then I just blow dried it as normal, and it really does help. My hair is very smooth, and what I really notice about this is the fragrance. It smells like coconut in like a really delicious, amazing way. And you know how like when you're trying a new fragrance, like it's all you can smell? I was just sitting at my desk today at work, like smelling my hair like a weirdo. It is true that it is totally weightless. It doesn't feel sticky. It doesn't feel heavy, dirty, you know, that gross feeling that you get sometimes from like a leave-in balm. I like it. Would I repurchase this for $29? Probably. I mean, it smells so good. The rest of the items that I got are more makeup items. So let me pause here, and I'm gonna put on a base and eyebrows, because it didn't come with eyebrows, but I'm gonna put on a base and eyebrows, and then we'll come back and talk about and demo the rest of the products. So in my box this month, I got the Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette. This retails for $45. You guys, this package is freaking stunning. Holy crap. This thing is beautiful, stunning, holy shit, the packaging. So what is inside here, I'm gonna be careful not to move this plastic. It's a bronzer palette, bronzer and highlighters in varying shades. This is gonna work for fair to medium skin tones. The back is covered in my fingerprints. Whoa, disgust. So I'm gonna put this back in the box that it came in. Not because it's not beautiful, not because I don't love the packaging.
It's so good.
Because a couple Boxy Charms ago, I got this, the Tardis Pro Glow. And in this thing, I got 2 bronzers, 2 highlightery type shades, and 2 blushes. So instead of using this, I'm gonna use this because I feel like it's probably very comparable. And I'm gonna save this for a giveaway. I do like this and I do like this. I just feel like it's kind of the same thing and maybe different packaging. I'm gonna pass on this one just because I already have it. To apply this, let me talk about the next product. This is the Moda 8-piece brush kit. This retails for $69.99. You heard me correctly. $69.99. This entire box is only 50 bucks. I love Moda brushes. The handles on these are different than ones that I've had before. They have like a textured plastic that feels like really hardy in the hands. These brushes are synthetic. The 2 biggest fluffy ones, like this big old bronzer brush, and then this tapered. They came with kind of like a plastic case. Not case, but like a plastic protector that I'm gonna hold on to. That's gonna be perfect for travel to keep them safe so that they don't get all, you know, misshapen, you know, in transit. So the rest of these, I mean, it's an 8-piece brush kit and it really looks like you get everything that you could need. You've got an angle brush, you've got a big wide fluffer, you've got this guy who'd be perfect for highlight, you've got a nice long crease brush, a really nice pointed like bullet like pencil brush. I have pencil brushes but I don't have one this long. See how bendy that is? I like it. And then a short kind of smudger brush. I didn't really show the rest of these, but you get the idea. Okay, the brushes. Using these brushes, I'm going to bronze and blush my face. The brushes are super soft. Wowie. Okay, I'm just going to blush my face. Probably should save the blush for later after I get my eyeshadow on, but you know, YOLO. All right, and I'm gonna highlight with one of these highlighty tones. Pretty. Yes, I'm highlighting the tip of my nose. I'm embracing my inner Linda. By the way, thank you so much for all of the love, like on the Pennywise video and the 2 collabs in a row, off schedule too. We're back to regularly scheduled programming. Thanks for hanging out. If you're new here, welcome. The next product is this Violet Voss Essentials eyeshadow palette. This retails for 29 doll hairs. Ooh, look at those pretty colors. It's a mix of warm and cool for countless color combinations. I actually wore this shadow to work today. Tried to do like a very natural combination, and I was not super excited about the blendability, but it might have been the concealer that I had on my eyelids. I don't know, whatever. Excuse me. Yeah, so I'm gonna use this shader brush. Let's dip into Sand. It looks like it's my skin tone, but it's actually quite orange. So I'm not gonna use this brush. I'm gonna use this fluffy crease situation. And then let's go in the crease. Let's do cinnamon. Ooh, this brush is too big for this. Shit. Oh, I don't like that at all. You scared the shit out of me. Oh, babe. Why would you do that? I didn't figure that zombies would have your voice, but
I can't breathe in that thing.
I was still scared. Where did that come from?
That's my disc mask.
Oh, okay. Did not like it. It's my husband. All right, I switched to a smaller brush and I am just focusing this color in this outer corner and up into the crease. Now with this pencil brush, I'm gonna dip into the black. Ooh, this pencil brush is quite nice. And I shall blend. Keep going. I'm gonna dip into the purple plumberry color and run that all over the lid. All right, let's use our finger. Maybe we'll get a little bit better payoff here. Oh yes, the finger is magical. There is a bit of fallout. FYI, friends. Then also on this little smudger brush, I'm gonna take that purple color and run that on this lower lash line. I'm gonna dip into this pink shimmer color and I'm gonna kind of mix that with the gold and use that for inner corner. I mean intercorner. Before we move on, let's talk about this eyeliner that I got, you guys. This is the Hank & Henry Blickety Black eyeliner. It retails for $20. Vegan liquid formula that dries down to a satin matte finish. The formula is extremely long wearing and transfer resistant, which is perfect for those with hooded eyelids. It's a brush tip eyeliner pen, which I'm very excited about. So I am going to just kind of like follow my upper lash line. I'm not gonna demo it. You've seen that shit a million times before, so I'm just gonna lightly line my upper lash line because I'm gonna skip lashes today. Put on mascara as well, so when I come back, I'm gonna have both eyes done. Okay, so the eyes are on. They're done. Let's continue talking about the products, and then I'm gonna give you my final thoughts. So the last thing that came in the box was this Stila Stay All Day lipstick. These retail for $22. This is the color Angelo. I love this formula. It's not as drying as some other formulas, but it does give you a nice matte finish. So let's see what this looks like. Maybe I should have planned my eye look better. It's gonna be very light. So let me put on some liner first. Okay. Liquid lipstick time. Well, no. I hate this color. Look at that butthole. Yeah, no, I do not enjoy this color at all. This is not for me. Okay, well, let's just recap the products. And now that they have settled in a little bit, I will tell you what I think. Okay, the Glow Recipe Bright Serum, awesome. Smells great, feels great. Next, the Dr. Brandt Sleeping Mask, the Hydrating Sleeping Mask. I really like it. I'm excited about it. It's really super pricey. I'm probably not gonna repurchase it, but I'm liking it. Then the IGK Hydrating Balm for Hair. Love, smells good, performs well, does what it says, and it's a really great price point. Yes. Next, the Tarte Park Avenue Princess. I love it. Look at these colors. Perfect, beautiful, perfect for me, but I already have them. So, okay, then next is this Violet Voss eyeshadow palette. Are the colors pretty? Yeah, they are. But like the brightest ones that are the most exciting to me, I already have somewhere else. Also, the performance is not amazing. Like the blendability is not great. Brushes do make a difference, but the blendability is not amazing, and there was a lot of fallout. So probably just gonna pass this on to a friend. We have the Hank & Henry liquid eyeliner. It's really good. The price point is great. $20. That's the same price point as the Kat Von D tattoo liner. This seems to perform exactly the same. It's a brush tip pen. It's vegan and it's all that good fun stuff without, you know. I've never seen this brand before, so I'm not sure where you can get it other than online. I will make sure to put all that information down in the description box as usual. The Moda brushes, beautiful, amazing. They did a great job. They're vegan, cruelty-free, synthetic fibers, nice quality. They're very, very, very soft, and they really do a nice job. I used the brushes pretty much everywhere that I could today, and they did a great job. And then last was this Stila liquid lipstick. Okay, so I'm not upset at the lipstick. This color is just not for me. I tried to save it with a lip liner. Just looks like a weird butthole. It doesn't go with my makeup. It's a little pale. So with Boxyluxe, you upgrade a little bit to get a few more pieces in your box. You normally get 5 pieces, and in this one you get 2, 4, 6, 8 pieces, all full-size items. This beauty is gonna go into a giveaway with some other goodies coming soon. This was kind of a fart, and this is not the lipstick's fault, it's the color's fault. And the rest of the items were really good, so good box. Not a great box, but that's okay. So I think that wraps it up for this month's Boxyluxe. Thank you so much for hanging out today and for watching today's video. I really appreciate it. Thanks again if you are new here. Thanks for giving me a chance. Stick around, we have fun here. We're pretty kooky. If you want to see more videos like this one, then consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. I normally upload every Thursday at noon here on YouTube. You can follow me on all of my social channels to watch the rest of my shenanigans. And I think that's it. I will see you next week in next week's video. Bye! Focus. That looks fucking terrible. How much is it? What do you want to do? I just rubbed all my makeup off. Focus. Focus, you bitch. My hair seems... I'm a cheap. The formula... Fucking car. Whoa, it's so bright, you can't even see it. Why is that battery telling me that it's not full force? God, my teeth look like butter, like corn.